Okay, so this is going to be a video about the washer method, and this is directly related to the disk method. So if you did not see the last video on disk method, you're going to want to watch that before you watch this, because this is going to make a lot more sense. Okay, the reason why it's called washer method has nothing to do with actually washing anything. It has to do with one of these. If you've ever seen one of these are used in manufacturing as a way of like tightening bolts and making sure things work a little bit better. They're called washers for whatever reason. Now, the main thing that you want to see with these washers is that there's an empty space in the center of them. So it's not just a flat disc like a pancake where everything's filled in. It's basically a pancake with the hole in the middle of it taken out. So it's kind of like, you can just look at this as like the donut method if you want to think of those circular donuts rather than just a flat pancake. So that's basically what this washer method is. So it's the same exact thing as disk method, only there's an empty space in the middle of that object that is rotated around the x-axis. So basically to figure this out, we have a different formula right here where the volume is equal to pi times the integral from a to b of the capital R of x, which is that big radius right here of the shape, squared, minus, then it says lowercase r. This lowercase r is going to represent that's that empty space, so that middle of the donut. So basically what I'm going to do is subtract off this lowercase r of x squared from the uppercase r of x squared, and that's going to get you the washer method. Now how does this look? I'm going to show you right now. So basically what happens with washer method is that there is a certain amount of space that's just empty. So what I'm going to do is erase off this area right here. So I'm erasing this off right here. And I'm going to say that this is my lowercase r of x. So now you can kind of imagine, if you rotated this around, there would be empty space in this center. There would be almost like a cylinder of empty space inside of this shape right here. So that's basically what washer method is doing, is it's creating that empty space, that middle of the donut, for this shape once you rotate it around. And it's based on this equation right here. So you would put your r of x in, and then you would put in whatever this lowercase r of x is, which is just basically the y value right here. So whatever y value is right here, that's going to be your lowercase r of x, and you just simply subtract that off of the uppercase r of x. Okay, now r of x, it doesn't have to be this constant function that I have here. It technically could be any function. I'm just using this as an example just to kind of show you the bare bones of what washer method is all about. I will be making other videos that show examples of how to use washer method to solve problems, but for now this is just the basic concepts of what washer method is. So if you have any questions about washer method or anything in this video, let me know.